In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma to Framer. We'll take a design you've already created in Figma and bring it into Framer so you can lay it out on a page and continue building your site or prototype. Start by opening Figma and loading the file that contains the design you want to move. Make sure the right frame or components are selected. A quick prep tip here: tidy your layers, group related elements, and confirm your frame has the correct background color. This helps ensure the export looks exactly like your canvas. If you plan to place the design as a single visual in Framer, selecting the top level frame is perfect. Next, use the top menu in Figma to find the Export option, then choose Export As. In the Export panel, pick the format that matches your goal. PNG is great for a flat image with a solid background. SVG preserves vectors and scales crisply, and PDF can work well for print-like artwork. If you need sharp visuals on high-resolution screens, bump the scale to 2x or higher. If your design has transparency, leave the background off, otherwise keep it on to match your Figma canvas. When in doubt, preview the settings to confirm the sizing and appearance are right. Now click Export and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it immediately when you switch apps. Open your Framer project and go to the page where you want the design to live. Drag the exported file straight onto the canvas. Release to drop it in place, then use the handles or the right side properties to resize, align, and position it as needed. If it appears too large or too soft, go back to Figma, adjust the export scale or format, and re-export. Then replace the asset in Framer. That's it. You've moved your Figma design into Framer, ready for layout, animation, and interactions. Save your work, and you're good to continue building.